Digging in the dirt, putting seeds in the ground. Water 'em every day, watch the happy plants grow round. Digging in the dirt, putting seeds in the ground. Water 'em every day, watch the happy plants grow round.
Good job watering the radishes, son.
Look, I'm planting this cabbage seedling right here. It looks so small now.
In their little garden, under a big leafy tree, Daddy Bear and his son are gardening. They're wearing straw hats, which help keep the sun out of their eyes. Daddy Bear is sweating from the heat as he digs a tiny hole with his small gardening trowel. Daddy Bear is gently placing a little radish seedling into the soft soil. Baby Bear holds a blue watering can and gently tips it over the cabbages, radishes, and turnips.
Watering can, gardening trowel, seedling, straw hat, turnip, leafy tree, radish, cabbage.
Wow, Dad! Look at radishes, turnips, and cabbages. They've grown so fast since last week.
That's because we've been taking good care of them, and now they're happy and healthy.
Dad, do you want to plant a few more seedlings? Let me grab the trowel and help you dig.
Yes, let's fill the watering can and give the new seedlings a nice drink.
Sure, Dad. I love watering the garden.
Digging in the dirt, putting seeds in the ground. Water 'em every day, watch the happy plants grow round. Digging in the dirt, putting seeds in the ground. Water 'em every day, watch the happy plants grow round.
Thank you for watching our show. Please like and subscribe and share with everyone you know.